I'm Jeremy Woodridge with Samtec at IMS 2025.
I'm Michael Holyoke, Department Head of EMN Systems and Integration at Nokia Bell Labs.
And this is a live demonstration of Samtec's millimeter wave products. But the star of the show is Samtec's glass core technology, or GCT, which enabled Nokia Bell Labs to design a state-of-the-art millimeter wave radio on glass. Michael, can you tell us a little bit more about the radio on glass and why Nokia Bell Labs chose to use Samtec's glass core technology?
Yeah, absolutely. So here at Nokia Bell Labs, we're tasked to maintain Nokia's competitive edge in the wireless backhaul market. As we scaled higher in frequency, we needed to find a new packaging platform for our ASICs, which are designed in-house. We looked towards glass, not only for a packaging platform, but also an ultra-high performance platform to act as an extension for our ASICs, where we can embed and really extract the performance of glass and enable ultra-high performance at these high frequencies at millimeter wave. Right here, we have a live demonstration of this radio on glass in action. Homodyne radio, up conversion, high order constellation at 70 plus gigahertz.
To learn more about Samtec's glass core technologies, go to samtec.com/GCT.
And if you're interested in learning more about Nokia Bell Labs radio on glass technology, please visit us at nokia.com. I'm Mike Holyoke.
I'm Jeremy Woodridge, and thanks for watching.